Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, family. I'm back again. I hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in again with me today. So shout out to Cranberry hair for sponsoring this video today. This unit is from them. They sent me a 13x4 curly hair. All the info and links and everything will be in the description box down below. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I think it's 150 density, I'm not too sure, but it's really decent. It's not too full, it's not too heavy on your head or anything like that. It's really light and all that stuff. And you guys know me, I love me some curly hair. Okay, so I'm just cutting off the excess lace so I can see what I'm doing properly. This wig came with like 4 combs inside and I took all of them out. And the lace on this hair is absolutely gorgeous. It melts into my skin properly. You guys know I don't really go over the plucking like too much. I don't go crazy with the plucking anymore, so mine is minimal plucking. And yeah, so as you guys know, my normal application process or installation process, shall I say. So yeah, I'm using Ebbing. Yes, I've transformed to Ebbing. Okay, like no more got to be, because got to be Ebbing is just better than got to be. So yeah, I'm just laying down my wig. I used 2 layers of Ebbing. Absolutely amazing. So going with the hairdryer, you guys know the gist. You know the gist. So just pressing that down, all that good stuff. Then if you don't know about the spritz spray, you need to get to know, girl, because you need this. After using the Ebbing glue, it just melts everything in and it just makes your lace just disappears, literally. Like you're just melting your lace even more than Ebbing. Okay, so you guys need to get your hands on this spritz spray. So just using the hot comb to press it down, all that stuff. Then I'm gonna go ahead with my elastic band. I've separated my my baby hairs elastic band to lay it down. Okay, and doing my parting. Guys, can you see that over bleach patch in the middle of my head? Girl, I did not even see that, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that. Okay, we're gonna fix it. Obviously I'm not gonna dye the hair now, because if you want to fix it properly, you have to dye that patch. Oh my god, this is so big. That's huge patch there. But anyways, I'm gonna fix it. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so just washing out the hair, before I start styling it. I use water. All what is inside that mist bottle is just water. Then my Cantu curling cream. These are the 2 products that I need for my curly hair, and it just curls it, and it's not even crunchy. That's what I like it just makes the curls soft, and when it gets dried, it's still soft. It's not crunchy or anything like that. So I have Color Fix hairspray. If you don't know about this, get to know, because girl, we be making mistakes sometimes. Okay, Color Fix just it's the shade is black. Sorry, I was stammering there. The shade is black. So yeah, and I'm going with a concealer to make the parting a bit more defined. Then mascara that I don't use on my eyes anymore, just to clean up the parting and make it like seamless and all that stuff. Then going ahead with my hot comb to press it down, separating my baby hairs. This straightener really helps with my baby hairs. Like it just makes it really nice. I did some dramatic baby hairs. Yes, I know, like I really wanted dramatic baby hairs. I feel like curly hair just goes with dramatic baby hairs, like yeah. So yeah, just styling my baby hairs and all that stuff as usual. Using the comb, and I used gummy wax on my baby hairs though. Yeah, and voila, this is what the hair looks like. As I said, I think it's 150 density. It's not too heavy on your head. It's really lightweight for summer, really decent for like an everyday look as usual. I'm feeling myself, girl. I love me some curly hair. Like I feel like curly hair me, we just go along together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.